Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can change your FPL team name. Let's get started. So first of all, you have to open a web browser because you cannot change your team name from the FPL mobile app itself. After that, you want to go ahead and simply search for fantasy.premierleague.com and then log in to your account. So once you're logged in, you want to go ahead and tap on this three dot, then select fantasy. Inside fantasy, you have to go ahead and simply tap on pick teams. Now inside here, you have to scroll below until the very end, and then you need to go ahead and simply tap on team details under admin. Now you'll then be able to find your team name. Go ahead and tap onto it, delete the previous one, and then type in your new name. So once you have done that, you need to scroll below and tap on update details. And that's it. Your FPL team name has been changed successfully. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.